The host of Battle of the Builders, Tyler Cordura, this is his Porsche. Right now, his Porsche is on our TELL 6000, which is actually the perfect size if you're working out of a small garage. It's completely mobile, comes with casters, and it's airless. So all you need to do is plug it in and you're able to use it. We just came out with low profiles too. You're gonna go to KrebsIndustries.com. There's a shops tab and you can just place an order right then and there. So normal out the door price, you're looking at $39.99. We want to support the community. Like we want to support car guys. We want you guys to grow in whatever you're doing, you know? If you're trying to upgrade your build, we want to help. We own our manufacturer. We have a manufacturing down in Brazil that is one of the biggest and best manufacturings you see, because every single person is a car guy. We care about car guys, and we know what car guys need when they're either starting off at a home garage or they're in like a full shop, you know? So this, actually, we're gonna do an upgrade because we realized after pulling Tyler's car on it, we're like, hey, we should probably throw a wide body option on this. So we're gonna do that. We don't have to run it through anybody else, you know? We wanna meet the people who are buying our lifts, you know? Like, even when it's not SEMA, we're calling people. It's like, hey, we saw that you placed an order. Like, where are you based? What's your schedule? Like, I want to know your situation, you know, like, how's your shop? What do you want to do, you know? If we get to meet the people that are buying our stuff and we get to build this relationship, you help us, we want to help you, you know? Tell me what's wrong with the lift so I can fix it, you know what I mean? Like, some companies don't get that.